Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Natalie Attired bag today. Not box, it's a bag. Bag. And I sent you 5 items. I think it's $20. Styling fee goes towards what to keep. It's in the description below. But if you want to try it, I'll leave a link down below there too. I think you might get something towards your first bag. I can't remember. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. It's in the description below. So let's get right into it. So I think this is my 5th Natalie Attired. I wasn't too keen on the last bag. So let's see how this one goes. The last bag was fine. It just wasn't my favorite. Alright. That came out super nicely. Okay, here is our bundle. Look at, oh, okay. There's some, oh, look at, there's like embroidery on that one. Some patterns, some solids, looks like some pants. That's pretty good. The one thing with Natalie Attired is you can't peek at what they're sending you, so I'm always surprised. You know I like to peek. Okay. Whew. Not gonna lie, it's sweaty up here today. I have to go to work. Today. 12 o'clock day, my chair just sank down. Handwritten note. Hi Rachel, happy summer. I hope you love the pieces I curated for you. Enjoy, Renee. Thank you, Renee. Thank you for this note so I can fan myself. Have my little Beyonce moment with my hair blowing in the wind and all that stuff. Whew. Okay. So with Natalie Attired, if you keep all 5 items, you get 30% off. Keep 3 to 4 items, you get 20% off. If you keep 1 or more, your $20 styling fee goes towards what you keep. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so I'll leave my referral link down below if you want to try them. I would get credit if you use it. And then they have their invoice, which is kind of hard to follow because it just has the description, so you kind of have to, there's no pictures. Like on the app too, there's no pictures, so you really have to pay attention to like the brand and things like that. Oh, I'm getting blown out. And then we have the return mailer. So first up, it might be okay. There's no stretch to it. I know I've told them I needed stretch. It's kind of interesting. So V-neck has a sleeve like that. So that's kind of interesting. And then it has a tie in the front. I like the pattern. I just wish it had stretch. Like I need. Like I've told them. Like I tell every box. Next we have, by Cotton Blue, a kind of stiff V-neck tank top in a nice little pretty purple color. And then it has a detail around the neckline and the sleeves. So that's kind of a pretty color. I do like that color. I have, I think, one top that's kind of like that color already. But it's a short sleeve and it has a not a V-neck, a crisscross kind of neck. I don't like this, but I'll try it on. Why? I like the cuffed sleeves. I am a fan of cuffed sleeves. But why? This is also by Cotton Blue. I don't like exposed hems or, you know, stitching. So they're gonna get some good feedback from me this time, at the very least. Looks like it's kind of like a drop shoulder. No, thank you. And then we have a pair of shorts. They're kind of cute. They're high rise by Royalty. I think I've gotten, like, all their ones they've sent me are from Royalty, I feel like. Yeah, so have a light wash, double button, zipper, pockets in the front and back. Kind of distressed. Have that scissor hem? Frayed hem? That's what it is. So maybe those will be nice. And then last but not least, we have this embroidered. It looks like it's a dress. Let's see. It's kind of pretty. Everything's very, oh, it's like a high-low. Let's see. High-low. So there's the hem, and then it goes down in the back. And it's got tons of embroidery on it, which means it's probably expensive. So, okay. Those are our 5 items. Let's try them on. Here's the dress. I want to get framed in my doorway. Here's the dress. I do like the high-low. I I think the embroidery is nice. I think it's probably just not my style. Let me pan the camera down. I broke my tripod, so I have to be very careful with the angles that I'm panning down on, because there's a potential my camera could just fall right off. So here's the high-low. I think it's just a little too big for me. I did see the tag said a 1X, and I typically am a true XL. So yeah, because the dress is dragging on the floor, I would have to wear a heel of sorts. So it's not my favorite. Maybe if it were in my size, it would be better. But it does kind of like, I like the embroidery, but I feel like the actual material is kind of stiff and not a very nice material. I don't know. I'm not sure. So yeah, this is a no for me. Let's try on the other stuff. Nope. I don't know what this top is, honestly. Like, what is this? It's fine. It's not, you know, it's fine. It's not my taste. How about that, people? It's not my taste. It's not my style. It's fine. I don't know what that's there for. It's also on the side right here. I like the color. How about that? I like the color. A nice kind of denim color. I like the cuffed sleeves. I just do not like exposed stitching that pops out like that, personally. No. And then the jean shorts, even though I could button them, they're a little tight. I don't think they're a 16W, which I prefer. The length is nice though. Has real pockets in front and back. I like the wash. And just, I don't know. It's just not a good couple items so far. But I do like the color. Like, if it were just, you know, a regular t-shirt or v-neck that had, you know, the cuff sleeve, not the exposed hems or anything, I like the color a lot. And the cuffs. So, okay, next shirt. This one's not so bad. I like the color of it a lot. The only thing that's bugging me is the armhole, which I've noticed on a lot of boxes lately. Like, the armholes on tank tops are really big. So I'd have to get it, like, taken in right there. The length is nice. I do really like the color. I like this side split right there. It's okay. It's just okay. It's just okay for me. Oh no. So I'm not loving anything so far, and I don't want to lose out on my $20 styling fee. This one's okay. It's okay. But you know what? I'm not going to force myself to keep something. I don't know. Okay, let's try on the last top. Thank goodness. Oh, I like this one. I like this one a lot. This was the one I thought I wouldn't because it doesn't have stretch, but it is cut well enough that it doesn't matter. I like the sleeves. I wear this to work. I think it's adorable. I think the colors are nice enough that you could wear it into the fall time too. Thank goodness. I like the tie. I think that's nice because then you can bring it in more so at the waist. Here's the back. Has a little longer in the back. Whew. Thank goodness. I was getting really discouraged. Okay, so here goes to show you that you never know what you're gonna like. I thought this one wasn't gonna work, and it does. Hooray. All right, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. All right, I don't know the names of anything. So the top that I'm keeping, or I think I'm going to keep, we'll see the price, by Kika Paprika. Okay, so this is the description. Elbow, sleeve, v-neck, waist tie, floral top, $42. So I already have $20 invested in the box. I do have some credit from you guys signing up. I appreciate it. So I'm going to keep that. By Cotton Blue, the purple top, the sleeveless slub trimmed v-neck top, $42. The Royalty button fray hem shorts, $42. Not bad for shorts if they actually were my size and fit me well. The other cotton blue top in the denim that I just don't understand is the short sleeve v-neck drop shoulder top, $44. And the Kinsler, I don't know the name of it. The dress, the black dress, high-low embroidered dress, $79. And the embroidery was really nice on that dress. I just didn't like the material it was embroidered into. And also I don't like the price. So if I kept, the total for everything would be $249. If you keep everything, it would be $160.30 for the box. So that 30% off is nice. I just haven't liked every single item in a box yet. So not the best box again, but my first few boxes with them were really good. So I think it's just about the feedback you give back to them and your notes when you check out, things like that, and then they get to know you better. So like I said, it's only my fifth one. So I'm gonna keep getting them. It can only get better or worse. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you next time.